Hey guys, welcome to my video page. I haven't made a page name yet, so I don't know what it's going to be, but this is going to be my first mukbang. So you guys come and enjoy. It's not going to be too much talking. Got a little music in the background to keep me going. And I got my limes, I got my salt and pepper. I'm eating boiling crab. I got the boiling crab sauce. I make this myself, but I had to go in, y'all. So come on and get a little close up of this and zoom in. I got the little shrimp. I know some of y'all don't like this. Some of y'all don't like it. Some of y'all don't like it, but they bomb. And I got the corn and the potatoes, and I got some juice down there, and then I got my limes. So let's get started. No talking. I'm gonna let y'all know a little something about me. I'm a mother of two. I have two beautiful kids, one 5 years old, little boy, and one 14-year-old crazy teen. Y'all know how that go. Best of both worlds. Teenager and teenage girl and a young son. So yeah, doing my best, taking care of them, trying to venture out to new things. I know I said no talking, but it's nasty. I said I was gonna say something different on my page. I wasn't gonna do what everybody else did and say, so good, so good, oh, so good. I'm saying, it's nasty. And this one guy, he say, this is not real. Every time he take a bite, he like, this ain't real, this ain't real. So here's the potato, y'all. It's nasty. It's just so nasty, I can't stop eating it. It's gonna get real messy. Oh, y'all seen that? I've been watching mukbangs for about 4 or 5 months now. Just like I get real hungry watching them. Y'all make me hungry watching these mukbangs. Like I'm just like, what I'm gonna go eat now? So this is my first one, y'all. Support me. Subscribe to my page. I don't know what I'm gonna be, what kind of mukbang I'm gonna do next, but I love be loved, be loved, be loved, be loved, my be lovelies. I love her, and I like cutie Q, eating with Q. I like her page too.